All right, I'm going to try this. I've been doing some more research this morning after your email, Ms. Gilbert, so hopefully this will work. I think that the screen sizing seems to be an issue with the giving module on our website, so hopefully this will work. Um, you can try this out and see how it seems to look after you've done this. And if it doesn't work, then I'll look next to how to delete your the Amex off of there. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go to our CalhounFBC.org, and then I click on Give. And I'm going to walk you through. I've got one that's signed up here. That is, I think I'm already logged in. So I'm already logged in. I'm going to click on the little, I hope you saw that, the three little lines. I think it's three. My eyes aren't that great, but there's three little lines here. I click on that and I go to my profile. And you can see here that right now my profile is set up as StephenJWaters@yahoo.com. But what happened when I first pulled this up, the screen sizing was out of whack. So this is what I saw, where there was no place to save my changes. So what I did is I went up to View and I zoomed out until I could see the Save button down here at the bottom. So maybe if you look at that when you log in, that might be the issue. So I'm going to change it right here. I'm going to go ahead and go in here and put my church email address. So it's Stephen.Waters@CalhounFBC.org, and I'm going to click Save. And up in this right-hand corner, it shows Update Record. So that looks like it's worked. So let's close out of here. And I'm going to go ahead and log out. Okay. So we're relogging to make sure that the change actually took effect. I log in, I enter my mobile number, submit, it's supposed to send me a code, and it did. That's my code. Now I'm logged in. I go to those three little lines again, and I click on my profile, and it does look like it's been updated. So let's, if you want to try that real quick, and if that doesn't work, then let me know. But I think the problem was the sizing on the screen didn't allow you to have that save button down there. So the changes that we made right here, when I changed them before and sent you that information, I was thinking that the save had just been automatic because there was no save button. But I think the problem with Epic Pay's little website here is that you have to resize your screen. So as soon as you see that save button, once you've clicked it, I think that's going to save your changes. But again, whatever. If you don't want to try that, I don't blame you. I know it's been a kind of a drag trying to get this done. But I think if you go to my profile, if you go to the donate spot up here, and you've got monthly, you can switch that to. If you switched it to one time, it'll take out the frequency and it won't continue to pay it. And then if you go to your payment source, well, I don't have a source put in there now because I use a checking account, but you can probably delete your card right there. But if you change it to one time, then it shouldn't be saved as a recurring gift. In that way, you've deleted your monthly gift to your American Express card. I hope that helps, but try that first thing where you resize your screen and see if that works, and hopefully that'll work. Again, if you could email me or give me a call, let me know if it did work, because I'm sure that we're going to have other people have this question. You just happen to be kind of ahead of the curve for a lot of people in doing these. But just let me know, and appreciate your feedback. But thank you, and again, sorry for the trouble.